You did it. You made the decision. I am so proud of you. This is going to be your year. The year you finally decide to buy a home and become a homeowner. Yay! Okay, so now what? Do you even know what the first step would be? How do you even really know that you're ready? Gosh, you haven't even taken the first full step and you're already overwhelmed. But calm down, take a deep breath, help is on the way. My name is Lakeisha Morgan. I'm a licensed real estate professional in the Dallas, Texas area, and I work for Stash Realty Group. Yes, Stash, like mustache. And I am here and I'm qualified to help. Now, you know how some jobs have specialties? For instance, like you could be a general doctor or you can be specialized in something like anesthesiology. Well, that's me. I'm a specialized agent because I exclusively work with buyers, a buyer's agent. And our team at Stash created this section just for you, all of my future home buyers. Our purpose is to educate the viewer about the entire home buying process. And I'll also provide you with like glossary of terms, tips and tricks, and anything else to ensure that you get the most out of your purchase. Now, I would love it so much if you could click the button below to subscribe and also the bell for notifications because we upload videos every week. So now that you know the cavalry is on the way, let's get started.